Coca-Cola versus Pepsi Slime Challenge.
We played this with shampoo and baby powder. Now we're going to play it with Coca-Cola versus Pepsi.
Some of these cans have soda and some of these have glue. And we have to try to not choose the wrong one, which is the one filled with soda.
Yeah.
We're not sure what will happen if we get Coca-Cola or Pepsi in our slime, because it might actually work and just dye it and scent it if we get enough glue, or it might just ruin it and make it all sticky because sugar ruins slime. Yeah. Like our gummy bear one.
We made Coca-Cola slime before, but not with real Coca-Cola. We just made it with food coloring. So.
Yeah. So rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to choose first.
We know those have Coca-Cola. So.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Oh, man.
Okay, so I get to pick first, but first let's get our buckets. Mom mixed them all up in the middle, and we could choose Coke or Pepsi, whatever we want. So I'm gonna choose Coke because I had Pepsi in my hand. So I'm gonna choose this one.
And I'm gonna choose Pepsi since I had Coke in my hand. I'm gonna choose this one.
Okay.
I think I got Pepsi.
I think I got Coke. Oh, I got Coke!
Delicious.
I hate Pepsi and Coke.
Mary likes Diet Coke.
No, I don't. Comment down below which one you guys like better. If I had to choose, I would choose Coca-Cola.
I choose Pepsi.
Okay, I get to choose my next can, and I choose this one.
I choose this one.
Okay.
Okay. Coke again.
I think I got glue.
Glue! Lucky. Oh man, I have 2 Cokes in my slime already. You guys, every time we play this challenge, I always start off with the bad ingredients.
But then you end up getting good ones and you make awesome slime.
Yeah.
Look at my glue. It was pink and glittery.
You guys, I could literally just go like this since there's no glue.
Oh, I went over the...
Mary, there's no glue.
Okay, so...
Lucky for me.
I'm gonna choose a Pepsi.
I'm gonna choose this Pepsi.
Okay, let's open them. I think I got glue.
Me too. I got glue, you guys!
Oh, yeah, I got clear.
I got like this pink with gold glitter.
Oh, that's pretty. I think that's the one I got at first.
Oh, yeah.
Huh. Imagine you get clear next. Okay, so, whoa. I'm going to choose this one.
I'm going to
choose
this one. I think I got glue too. Mine's leaking. Mary, mine's leaking.
How's yours leaking? I got black. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one. I think I got glue. Okay, I think I got glue. You choose.
I'm gonna choose a Pepsi. Ooh, I think I got glue.
I think I got glue too.
I got glue!
Oh, I got red.
Got clear. I'm just kidding. Mary, you know how you said I got clear? I actually got clear.
Okay, next one.
I'm gonna choose this one.
I'm gonna choose this one.
Oh no.
I think I got glue.
I think I got Pepsi.
You got Pepsi.
Coke. I mean Coke.
Coke.
Right side.
Whoa, this one's super pretty. I'm getting like Halloween colors. I don't think my slime's gonna work. Okay. Oh no.
No, I don't think it's gonna work.
Got more Pepsi than glue. I think it's actually tied 3-3. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one.
I'm gonna choose this one.
I think
it's glue.
I think I got glue too.
Yeah, glue.
Ooh, clear with iridescent.
Ooh, maybe my slime will work.
Okay, I'm gonna choose the last Coca-Cola.
Choose Pepsi.
Okay.
Oh no.
I think you got
Pepsi.
Yep. Okay, I got.
That almost squirted.
I got glue.
Well, the right side of you getting Pepsi. Delicious.
Okay, we're down to the last 2 cans.
No! I think I got Pepsi.
Here, I'll trade because you need more glue in yours to make slime.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Or maybe she just wants to drink the Pepsi. Iridescent pink.
I was hoping it would explode more. Okay, now it's time to mix them up. I hope they don't turn completely brown.
Yeah. I hope mine will turn into like jiggly slime or something.
They smell delicious.
I was about to burp.
Oh, she drank Pepsi.
Yeah.
That's why I think that's the only reason why Junior likes Coke.
That was
And
our
Gabe.
brothers. Junior and Gabe. Literally asked them. They said, Junior and Gabe, do you only like Coke and Pepsi because they make you burp? And he said, yeah. Oh no, our slime is like complete liquid.
Okay.
Hopefully it makes jiggly slime.
Maybe. I hope it makes slime. Okay, now it's time to activator. Our activator still has baby powder all over it, the bottle. Gonna need a lot.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. I don't want to overactivate it.
Hopefully
It's working! It's turning into like jiggly slime.
It is working. I don't think Coke does anything to it. Maybe
It's just,
makes
it's
jiggly.
activating all the glue. It's leaving the Coke.
Yeah, it is. Maybe it'll absorb it.
Maybe. Yay, we're gonna have Coke scented slime.
And it's not, it's like,
Actually, Coke Pepsi scented.
okay, we got another bottle of Tide.
That's so satisfying. It went. That's so satisfying.
Okay.
I
Hopefully
think,
this will work with a ton of activator.
yeah. It is working. Look at mine.
Yep, it is working. I think this is gonna come out a jiggly slime. That's
Yours
gonna be
is like
cool.
almost.
I think we more activator.
Yeah. I think yours is like you have less Pepsi, so yours came all together, and this is like all the Pepsi corners.
Okay, turbo mix.
Could we put some activator in my
I
hand?
just need to keep on adding activator to mine.
Could I have some activator in my hand? Thank you.
And the bottle is empty. We need another one, Mom. Third bottle of Tide going into our slime, guys.
Yeah. It's so satisfying to have a little Tide poured on your hands because then it's like,
Oh, the Tide is cold.
Yeah. It's actually thickening now. Mine is coming together. It's absorbing the Coca-Cola and Pepsi.
Yeah, mine too.
I just need to get this side now. Absorb. Oh,
I think mine is basically almost ready.
Yeah.
Maybe I just need a little bit more activator, and mine's gonna be a jiggly slime, guys.
Baby.
See, look how jiggly this is. Okay, guys, so we got them all worked together, and they're super jiggly. I'm not sure if they're melting or they're like coming apart, but they're slime. So let's dump it out and have a play with them really quick before they dissolve.
That's so well. Ooh, I did it.
Mine is pinkish, and Izzy's is like Coke color. I think because I got more glue.
Can you like get the bucket, Mom?
Funny.
It's like melting.
There, Mom, grab it. Ooh.
Coke, Pepsi. I'll be Coke. You be Pepsi.
I think yours looks
Look, Coke,
Yeah.
and yours looks like Pepsi.
big bubbles.
Okay.
Whoa. The slime smells. Mine doesn't smell. Mine smells like Tide. What does yours smell like?
Tide.
Oh, Tide one.
Kind of smells like baby powder.
I think because maybe the rim still has baby powder smell in it.
Yeah. Maybe our table does.
Oh, whoa!
I didn't even notice! just gonna dump mine into the pool.
I'm gonna save mine in the container. Guys, can you believe we still have the pool?
We still have every pool.
Guys, I'm saving mine in a container or should I just put it in? I'm not sure if it'll dissolve over time, but it's not. I'll just put it in.
Look at our pool. It's covered in baby powder from the last video. Avalanche.
Mine is like, well, we still have the pool because it's so heavy.
Look at this, guys.
Do with it.
It's so easy to poke.
Well, bye guys! Thanks for watching. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye! And don't forget to comment down below what you like better, Coke or Pepsi.
I thought it just got slime in my hair. Bye.
I have a slime pool here, here, here.